much of a good thing won't be good for long. I hope I don't get copyright for this. That was me trying to sing like Sam Smith. If you laugh, I'll know. I have been saying this since day one. YouTube is great, but be careful. Be careful. This applies especially to these ingredients that appear on YouTube on a daily basis about how to grow hair magically, and be careful. Before some people even started complaining about cloves breaking their hair, I already said it. I already said in one of my videos, in that 14-day clove challenge video, I cannot use cloves on my hair every day. It is out of question. If you watch the video, you know why. I do not see how clogging my pores is going to help me grow my hair. I do not see how using a particular ingredient every single day is helpful, especially when you don't have to wash your hair. 2 weeks without washing my hair, it was terrible. That is the longest I can go without washing my hair, and it was not a nice feeling. It was not. I cannot just say not to use it every day without giving alternatives. I am not the government. After that video, I kept using cloves in my hair, but not every day like I said. If you are afraid that cloves may break your hair, or it is already breaking your hair, or even if you just don't want to use something in your hair every day like me, I have 3 methods I have been using cloves since the last time. Feel free to choose one of them that fits in your regimen better. The first way is what most of us do, but with a little difference. Instead of spraying my whole entire hair, I spray only my scalp. Only my scalp. And I do this like 2 times a week. That is if I wash my hair every week. If I wash my hair on Saturday, on Sunday evening when my hair is completely dried out, I'll spray a little bit of clove water on my scalp. On Thursday again, I'm going to spray it on my scalp again 2 days before I wash my hair. And the do not wash thing is not for me. No, it's not for me. I'll manage the small growth that I can get from my hair, from leaving cloves in my hair from 1 week and not spraying it every day. I'll manage that one. It is not negligible. The second way I use cloves is as a conditioner. I have a video about how I make it. I do not use this every week. I use it 1 or 2 times a month. That is if I wash my hair 4 times a month. I don't deep condition every week. And even if I did deep condition every week, I would not use the same deep conditioner every single week. No. The third method is one I mentioned in my 14-day clove challenge video. I use the clove water to rinse my hair at the very end of my wash day routine before I let my hair air dry. 75% of plain water and 25% of clove water. Like I said, I use this to rinse my hair at the very end of the wash day. There are surely many other ways you can use cloves for hair growth. Be creative. Find what works for you. And you don't even have to use the cloves. I don't know what the rush about ingredients is becoming in this community. It's becoming too much. Every week there's a new ingredient. If you feel like this one is not working for you, sit it out. Let it go. You don't have to do it. Nobody is pointing a gun on your head for you to do it. Don't. Leave it. Whether you use something to boost the growth or not, your hair is still going to grow. The focus now is on the length retention. So this was a very short video. I hope I edited it to be short. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not yet done so. I know things may seem difficult now, but they are definitely going to get better for you soon. Take care. Bye.